What's up everyone? Apple here from Homely Chart. This week is going to be big volatile due to being the last trading week before November 3rd US presidential election. And there will be hundreds of companies going to release their third quarter earning result this week. All this contribute the market volatility. Is it crisis or opportunities? For sure, it is going to be very bumpy and volatile, but it may provide great opportunities for stock investors and traders. I will analyze the chart to answer these questions. And hold on to the end of the video. I will review a very important information which will be very helpful for your investment. So this is a standard disclaimer. The video is only for personal opinion, not investment recommendation. Be responsible for your own investment decision. I am Apple Huang. I'm a technical analysis lecturer from Homely. So if you like my video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also send WhatsApp to me any share you would like to do stock analysis. Alright, so I will start with the chart. Let's start with the chart. I use Homely Chart for technical analysis. Alright, we can see S&P 500 form a high in September. Then it pulled back and moved up again. The latest high is from in middle October is lower than the high in September. So will it be a double top pattern? Will it be a double top pattern? So the low here is very important. If S&P 500 move below this level, we will anticipate that S&P will have a longer and steeper pull down. But at the moment, we see it is just having a correction. It's not yet break down this level. So there's no evidence that S&P 500 will start a very prolonged downtrend, midterm downtrend. Now we look at a very useful indicator, MCDX. MCDX is an unique indicator in Homely Chart. The length of the red bar shows the ratio of institute funds. So the longer the red bar, the more institute funds in the market. So the market is strong and move up. If the red bar reduce, then that shows institute fund is flowing out from the market. So the market will turn weak, even go down. And the length of the red bar, here represents the ratio of traders, those high frequency traders, speculators. So those traders, their characters are buy low, sell high, or sell high, cover low. So those yellow bars, the more yellow bars means more traders in the market, and the market is more volatile. And the length of the green bar represents the ratio of retailer. So the longer the green bar, that means the more retailer funds in the market. So there will be strong resistance for the stock or the market to move up. Alright, so with this indicator, it shows us very clearly the ratio of different investors in the market. And so for S&P 500, at the moment we can see the red bar in fact reduced. That means it shows institute funds is flowing out, and the red bar is still above 50%. So the institute fund is still in majority. So it's still strong. The institute fund is still strong in majority. And we can see as of the day, yellow bar also increased a lot. That means more traders are trading in the market. That is why S&P 500 is very volatile with those traders' activities. Alright, so we look at Dow Jones. This is the chart of Dow Jones index, and it is quite similar to S&P 500. So it from the top in September, and then it pulled down and move up again. Now it retraces again. So it looks like a double top pattern, right? So the low here, this level is very important. We have to monitor whether the Dow Jones will go break below this level. If it break effectively this level, then as Dow Jones will have a longer, more room to go even go down even further. With the help of the MCDX indicator, we can see the length of the red bar in fact it reduced lately, and even fall below 50% already. And the yellow bar, the length of yellow bar in fact increased. So more traders are trading actively in Dow Jones. Alright, so that is also telling us why Dow Jones now is more volatile, and because institute fund actually flow out from the market, so Dow Jones is turning weak, and this low is a key level. We will monitor whether it will break below this level. Let's look at the chart of Nasdaq. Okay. Okay, this is the chart of Nasdaq. This is the chart of S&P, Nasdaq. S&P also from the top in September, then it have some correction and move up again. Now it pull down. So it's very similar pattern as S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. And so the low of this level is very important for us to monitor whether this is a double top pattern. And from the MCDX indicator, we see the length of the red bar that do reduce, showing the institute fund flow out from the market, and more red bars, yellow bars, showing more traders are trading in the market. And the length of the yellow bar in fact is above 50% level. So majority is still currently the institute fund is still the major player in Nasdaq. So there is no evidence that the market already turned bearish. So after looking at the chart and the US market, in fact the three markets are the same. after from the top in September, now the new top in October is lower than the previous low, and now is in the midst of correction. But the institute fund is still quite strong, and you see yellow bar, the length of yellow bar increase, so it shows the traders have more activities in the market, so the US market will be quite volatile this week. And we see the earning reports for this week. And in Monday, 117 companies release result. Tuesday, 180. Wednesday, 300 plus. The Thursday, 399. And then Friday, there are 83 companies release result. And especially Thursday, you see the Googles will release result. At Amazon will also release result after market. Apple, Apple will also release result after the market. Next week, November 3rd, that will be the election date for US president. Yeah, so and so all these will be because there are so many traders trading the earning activities, so all this will contribute to the market volatility. And there is a very important IPO. That is the Ant Financial. Ant Financial, the IPO price in China market, it is 68.8 renminbi, and Hong Kong market it is $80 Hong Kong dollar per share. The application day it will be 27-28, and due to the strong demand for its record due IPO, Ant Group closed Hong Kong book early. So tomorrow by 5 p.m. It will cut off the IPO application in Hong Kong market. This Ant Financial will trade in the the China market and Hong Kong market on November 5th. Alright, so at the beginning of the video, I mentioned that I will have a very important announcement at the end of the video. That is it. The 19th Central Committee of Communist Party of China started its 5th plenary session in Beijing on Monday. So Xi Jinping delivered a work report on behalf of the Political Bureau of CPC Central Committee and explained a draft document of the CPC Central Committee's proposal for formulating the 14th Five-Year Plan 2021 to 2025 for economic and social development and future targets for 2035. So this is very important event because the government will set economic and social priority for the next 5 years, and the country will we know many economists already predict China will firmly become the world's largest economic in the next 5 years. This plan will draw visions and outlines on what are the industries and sectors China is going to develop for the next 5 years. So it definitely gives investors ideas on what are the sectors and what are the companies will potentially benefit for the new 5-year plan. Yeah, watch out, guys, for this. When they release the plan, watch out. So is technical betting, technical analysis betting? Technical analysis is to analyze price and volume pattern on the chart and identify trading opportunity. So it's not betting. Technical analysis need knowledge, so the knowledge you need to learn. If you are if like the video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any stocks you want to ask about for stock diagnosis, you can contact me through the contacts there. This is Apple Huang. I am a technical lecturer from Home New Chart. Thank you. Goodbye.